Hi guys, I don't know about you, but I hate throwing away jars. And so 2 cabinets later full of jars, there's something I must do with them. So I thought about this great idea to recycle the jar. We're going to repurpose them by creating containers. Recycling jars. And the first step we're going to do is take the lid, create a hole in the center of the lid so that we can attach a cabinet knob, so the lid will turn into a nice decorative item to sit on top of our jar. Just a couple of easy steps and it'll be done. Voila. And here's my little helper.
Okay guys, today I'm gonna be spray painting these metallic gold spray paint. Now first, you gotta shake it up. Now, you just gotta spray it. And spray on all the sides. There. That's good. Now we're gonna move on to the next one, guys.
Decorative element. I'm gonna spray the bottom portion of the jar after we taped it up. And just add a different design. Alright, we'll let that dry and see how that turns out. Another way to add a nice decorative feature to a jar is simply apply glue and roll it around and or sprinkle on the jar some gold, red, or any color of your liking glitter. Glitter is a simple way to add a nice feature to the jar. And here's my handy helper showing us how to hydro dip. Hydro dip is a nice way to add a nice element to the jars. One of the things we had to learn the hard way was that you don't want to stir up the spray paint once it's in the water. Just leave it there and go ahead and dip the jar.
It's not gonna work because it's clean. Not as good. I need like something else, like a plastic container.
You don't need to spray the glass, right?
Today, guys, we're gonna try to hide it. What?
That's good. Come on. Awesome. Our work paid off. Simple, easy way to reuse jars. I hate throwing away jars, and so I thought this was a fun idea that me and my son can do together. Create something nice for the bathrooms, and the rest of the jars we're just going to give them away. A gift of love to family and friends.